good men, good women of Wales. What are you as a people that can only experience your hiraeth through 15 men on a rugby field? What are you as a people who don't even know your history and the struggle of your forefathers? Why do you turn away from people suffering? Why have you based your life on self and greed, materialism? Aren't you tired? Aren't you tired of your children being desensitized through bullshit media? I'm tired. I'm tired of war. I'm tired of lies. I'm tired of media corruption. I'm tired of big pharma selling poison. I'm tired of men and women of Wales that lick the heels of the British establishment. I'm tired of the Welsh Assembly, the puppets to the puppeteers in Westminster. Men and women of Wales, do you forget your forefathers? Do you forget the message, the struggle of Llywelyn, Glyndŵr, Rebecca? Is this not the land of your fathers? Well, start acting like it.